Okay? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eve and welcome to my family.
Wait!
Ay, yung ba yan? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eve and today is the first day, or no, not first day, but today is my official holiday. And I'm so excited! Actually, I'm so tired kasi I went to work today, half day, and then after that, went home, cooked some egg for dinner, and we'll have to finish some leftovers before we head to the Philippines. Woohoo! Although I'll be staying one day kila nanay because my it's just a stopover, sort of. But at least I have one day to spend with them, and I'm so excited. And we're gonna be doing some challenges with my nephews and nieces, and they're so excited about that. And I think that's it. For now, let me just finish checking my things, make sure that my filming gears are packed, and I'm not gonna leave anything behind because that is not good. So, alright, that's it. Baby, I'll have a transition. I'll get back to you later when we're at the airport already. See ya! Hi guys! So, ayan, nandito na kami sa airport. Pero kasi, sarado daw yung dito. Kaya kailangan namin mag-explain. Hi guys! So, we're here at the airport, but there are some minor changes. Not minor, but it's actually major because from Terminal 2, we are moved to Terminal 3. And there's no proper signage. Let me just show you how big this L is.
Terminal 3.
Hi guys, over here at Terminal 3, there's a fire broke out in Terminal 2 around 6 o'clock, which I just saw in Yahoo News. And now, right here is, I don't know, maybe a news reporter. So yeah, like, blah 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 blah. I just don't know what to say. Maybe we'll go ahead and get inside because we're flying at 1:35 a.m. and we have to be inside by 1:05. Anyways, just don't want it. Okay, see ya. So it's our first time to depart in Terminal 3. So let's go and let's get started. We're going to T2 again. It's like a ping pong ball, right? Dang it. Sometimes it's not nice. Anyway, then we saw Burger King kainis. So we have to walk all the way there. And we'll take the Skytrain. Ay, gulay!
Ito nga, wala pa.
Hi guys, so we're here finally at Terminal 2. After all the chaos, we're able to settle down. But however, the gate is still closed. But everybody's queuing, so we go ahead and queue ourselves. So ayun, may ganap pala. Let me just speak Tagalog for a while. Kung may ganap pala, may sunog kanina, mga around 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, because of that, nagkaroon ng mga ganap. Sunod-sunod. So ayun, buti na lang, gabi pa yung flight namin. Medyo hindi chaos masyado. This is the first time this thing happening. Diyan, forward. Oh my goodness. Ayan na, nandito na kami sa loob. Sorry naman kung haganess pa rin. So ayan na, boarding na kami. So wait naman sa aeroplano. And we are home. No, me lang pala. I'm home. Welcome back to Manila. Hi. Hello to my vlog. Balik tayo. Dito. Ay, akala ko I'm gonna bless you eh.
Ito si Jonah.
Hi! Sorry palis pa mga laway namin. Is Georgie. Hello. Jonah. Ay, Jonah. Say hello to my vlog, Hazel. Hello! Ito si Kiki. Hi, Kate! Kasi pala Hazel. Hazel. I just called her. For
GoPro, stop recording.
bit of the wax.
Okay, start again.
I did the mango already. Go down. Colors.
Hindi ko talaga abot.
Is it? Bobby, you try your best, huh? Hang on. Somebody must catch the mango.
Anyhow.
Anyhow, but you have to catch it. Ay, ay!
Okay.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Eve and welcome to my family. Today we're going to eat Ay, hindi pa anak!
Kaya.
Hindi pa nga daw kaya.
Okay na natin naman.
Wow, ito nito.
Hoy, hindi yan nagmamadali. Take two, take two.
Ano ba yan?
Contest ito, ya.
Bakit? May contest ba?
Ano yung contest?
Sige na lang.
Uy, hindi ka mukha yun.
Wala nang space. Ang taba ni Aisel.
Kain lang kayo, tayo.
Hey, bro, calm down. Dito ga,
Hindi nga, Wen. Wala na pala ako, eh.
fish is here.
Parang nag-ano yan.
Where's the talong? There's no talong. Oh, Russell, water.
Hoy, galawin niyo ako.
Ano? Nak, dali. Sisipi ko asun.
Okay.
Akala ko kanina may karera. Contest. Pagkain. Kasi si Kuya Ninyo. Sausawan niyo po, anak.
Mayang hangin.
Kumalik na yung GoPro.
Lalagyan na ng toyo.
O yung gulay, kainin nyo. Yung ito. Okra, oh. Ano yung okra? Ladies finger.
Ma'am, ito lang sila niyo.
Uy, try nyo naman kami ng baboy. Pengin na ito.
Hindi lang ang binibigyan kong chicken eh.
Hindi pa ako makain. Totoo yun, makain ka rin, ha? Wala, daw daw. Ano daw?
Bro, gawin niyo yung gulay. Bubugin ko yun.
Ang hirap naman kumain. Ang hirap na kumain. Di, dip there. Ano daw? Dip there. Ipakain ko yung tita. Ito yung kalapita. Ay, ako niyan. Di, oh. Sundon. Pamalit yung table. Uy, sila kuya, sila lola.